Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. If you're a mortgage broker in 2026, let me be honest with you, you're not losing deals because of competition. You're losing them because of the follow-ups, disorganization, and the missed leads. Okay? And that's exactly why the right CRM can literally change your income. So in this video, I am going to walk you through the 6 best CRM system for the mortgage brokers. Okay, so from beginner-friendly tools to enterprise-level platforms used by top-performing loan officers. So of course, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which CRM fits your workflow, budget, and your business size. So first off is the HubSpot CRM. This one is best free and beginner friendly CRM. So first up is the HubSpot. This is perfect if you're just starting out or want a clean, easy system without overwhelming features. And what makes the HubSpot powerful is its simplicity. Free plan available, of course, easy contact management, email tracking and automation, the pipeline visualization. So for mortgage brokers, you can track borrowers from lead to pre-qualification, application, and closing. Now, the downside for this one, it is not built specifically for mortgages. So you'll need to customize the pipelines yourself. But for beginners, for mortgages, so you'll need to it's one of the easiest CRMs to start with. The next one is the Salesforce. The Salesforce Financial Services Cloud Best for enterprise mortgage teams. So this one is heavyweight. So Salesforce Financial Services Cloud. This is built for banks, lenders, and large mortgage companies. So what makes it powerful? So it has a deep client financial profiles, advanced automation, it has AI powered insights, massive integration ecosystems, and of course for mortgage brokers handling high level pipelines, Salesforce helps you to track every borrower detail from income documents to loan stages. But here's the truth, it's expensive and complex. So this is not for beginners, it's for serious brokerages that want enterprise level automation and scalability. Okay, next one is the Zoho CRM. For the Zoho CRM, this one is best budget all-in-one CRM. So if you want affordability with strong features, Zoho CRM is a strong pick. Zoho gives you lead management, workflow automation, AI sales assistant, multi-channel communication, email, chat, and social. So for mortgage brokers, Zoho is great for organizing multiple lead sources like Facebook ads, referrals, and website forms all in one dashboard. So it's more customizable than HubSpot, but still budget friendly compared to Salesforce. So it's more, the only challenge is the setup time. It takes a bit of tweaking to fit mortgage workflows. Okay, so the next one is the Pipe Drive. This one is best for visual pipeline CRM. Okay, so this is the easy and effective CRM for closing your deals. It has 14-day free trial, no credit card required, trusted by over 100,000 companies, 500 plus integrations to boost the workflows, and it's built in AI to close deals faster, and GDPR compliant and secure. So you get drag and drop deals stages using this one, visual pipeline tracking, activity reminder, and email integration. So this is ideal if you think visually and want to instantly see where every borrower stands. However, it lacks, deep mortgage specific tools, so it works best for small to mid-size brokers who prioritize speed over complexity. The next one is the total expert. Okay, so for the total expert, this one is best for marketing automation in mortgages, but definitely, it's still very helpful in, if you are a broker. So, yeah, this is a favorite among the mortgage professionals who rely heavily on the marketing automation. And why it stands out, it's hyper personalized borrower journeys, automated email and SMS campaigns, compliance friendly marketing tools, and strong mortgage industry integration. So for example, you can set up campaigns that automatically nurture leads from inquiry all the way to closing and even post closing for referrals. So if your goal is to scale and generate repeat business and referrals, this CRM is built for that exact purpose. Okay, so you can really consider using this one. So the next one is the Be in Touch. So for the Be in Touch, it's mortgage business growth platform. So you can automate your marketing, you can convert more leads, and stay top of mind with your borrowers using the best mortgage CRM solution. And of course, you can recruit new partners and streamline your operations with one simple, efficient system. Okay, so as you can see right here, you can also get the live demo for the Be in Touch if you really want to try it. But yeah, Be in Touch offers lead management, again, marketing automation, mobile access, customer relationship tools, and built-in communication features. It also provides automated email and text campaigns to really help you stay connected with the borrowers throughout the loan process. And this one is really best for lead nurturing and marketing automation. Okay, now if you were to ask about the pricing of this 6 best tools for brokers, then you just have to go to their prices. Okay, so they have different plans that you can subscribe to, so you just have to explore those one by one. Please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.